I'm Lily Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's about to make one of my favorite things. What are we doing?
Today we're making stuffed artichokes.
I'm so
Lily.
excited.
I'm not. This is my secret recipe. I really don't want you guys to know how I do it, but for this recipe, we don't need the stem. And then we're gonna remove the top of this. Look, this is the important part, okay? Don't cut this out. We're gonna remove the choke, all these nasty little hairs. Now we're gonna make our bread mix. Seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, minced onions that have been sauteed with olive oil, and a little garlic. Big secret right here.
Right
Huge
here, this is
secret.
it.
Finely chopped castelvetrano olives. I should be whispering right now. These are such secrets.
That's it.
Those belong in there.
You're so much smarter than you look.
A little lemon juice in here will never hurt it. And now I'm gonna take a little chicken stock, a little fresh chopped parsley in the mix, gently opening the leaves with our thumb, and then we're working the breading into it. That's it. Does that look good or what?
Looks amazing.
We're gonna put it in a braising pan, extra virgin olive oil over the top, more chicken broth. We're gonna throw this in the oven.
That looks amazing. So head to news12.com and you'll get the recipe then. Can't wait to try it. Thank you.
My pleasure as always.